Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off offer to save password on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off offer to save password on Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on passwords and autofills and then click on Google Password Manager. Now in left pane you will find settings, click on it, and here under settings the first option is offer to save password. By default it's turned on, just click here to turn it off. Now offer to save password is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.